Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Lavanya and I am from Chhattisgarh. So today I am talking about how to control our mind and how to build our confidence and how to remove our comfort zone. So without any delay, I start the video. If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. Okay? Yeah. So how to remove our comfort zone? You literally want to improve your communication skills and you literally want to improve your spoken English and you literally want to work in yourself. So keep watch this video because this video it's very helpful for learner and what and suffering from anxiety and even depression. So keep watch this video. Okay, so how to improve our communication skills? What is the communication skills? So you really want to improve your communication skills? So first you make small goal. Every day you watch video and that times you watched video related to English video, so at that times on subtitle. Why I am saying? Because we are learner and at that times you watch video and you at that times you are reading, so it's helpful your learning. And reading and writing. Why I am saying again and again keep reading and keep writing? Just because reading practice it's key of success our pronunciation. And when you read, so at that times you read out loud. While you are reading out loud, so your your subconscious mind gaining pronunciation, and while you speak, so without hesitation, just because when you speak fluently and you make mistake related to pronunciation, so at that time our mind got stuck. So keep practicing, keep reading and keep writing. And another thing, why I am saying writing, whatever you want to writing, related to story, related to your daily basis work, like we are, sometimes we whole day in scroll phone and whole day talking unnecessary thing. So that's the reason sometimes we engage. So you literally want to achieve your fluency and you literally work your self confident and you really work your communication skills. So every day you read and write and you are listening and speak more you speak. Now I am speaking too much. Nowadays I follow every day. I am speaking practicing like 1 hour and sometimes depend on my leisure time like sometimes 2 hours. Every day I speak. So that's why now I am comfortable and I record this session just because my comfort and I remove my comfort zone, so that's why I'm speaking well. So I already mentioned how to remove our comfort zone.
This is a dangerous groups that we're dealing with.
So first you make one chart. You really want to improve your spoken English. So first you make one chart related to and you watch related to whatever you want to, like story and even cartoon video. So you can go and watch, and at that time on put switch on your subtitle. YouTube video or suggest if every video switch on your subtitle, and you whatever you watch and then you read, and then at that times you didn't know how is it vocabulary, so first you go on Google and then search what is vocabulary, so it's helpful for your learning. Because earlier I'm also suffering that kind of issue. So nowadays and earlier I'm also that kind of I'm facing issue, and then I search on Google, and then what is it, and then I recall my mind, and then I utilize my while I'm speaking in English. In sometimes I had conversation video, so at that time I used, and even I asked what is it, and what give me some vocabulary, and then I'm listening more and more, and even I implement also. And you literally you want to improve your spoken English, so you more speak and then reading and writing also, because it's key of your success and make consistency. What happened yesterday, what happened, I'm saying one incident. January, 1 January, I went one Sai temple, and then there were, Pandit. You heard about Pandit because, so Pandit, everyday puja and part, and even singing related to Sai Baba song. So at that times I'm thinking, what I'm thinking, he was in good at in singing, and he was in good at in singing, and he didn't have any, you can say, like hesitation and singing, and then he doing puja. Why? Because just because he doing every day puja and every day sing, so have good at in singing related to English. So you every day recall, and you every day talk, and you every day you recall in your mind, so definitely you easy to speak whatever you want to speak. So both are not differences, both are equally. We earlier, child, so at that times we, our mama, puja and part. So at that time, Jai Jagadish Hare, Swami Jai Jagadish Hare. So that kind of, song. So at that times we clapping, and then we, at that times we singing out loud, just because practicing. And now we also, some people singing that kind of related to puja, and also at that times we recall and then we repeat it. Earlier one video I said, at that times I am saying shadowing. What is the shadowing practice? Recall practice. Also we, our mama, puja, so at that times singing that kind of puja related sing, and then we recall. And so same here, you really want to improve your communication skills, and you really want to achieve any another related to English, and you literally want to speak another language. So for you recall every day, you recall, and every day you talk related to book, related to sing whatever you want to sing, related to English song, and related to another, like English motive.
People will forget what you said. People will ever even forget what you did. People will never forget how you made them feel. The words are forgotten, the actions are forgotten, but the experience remains.
A motivational video. So every day you listen more and more, and then you achieve your fluency, and then you achieve your regular basis. You achieve you in your mind also in vocabulary and pronunciation, because you have good vocabulary and good fluency, so you easy to enhance, you easy to improve your build your confidence, and you easy to talk any stranger. Why I am saying again and again, because you whatever you want to express in your nowadays every people wants to learn this language, because when you go outside and in your job related, so at that times first ask what do you do and what's your goal. So at that time you speak in fluently, and you speak easily, and you enhance your body language. Why I am saying, because you didn't have good command, so how to speak and how to enhance your body language. So
Success is not a destination. Success is a journey.
first, come out your comfort zone and whatever you want to, so you can go search Google and ChatGPT and even YouTube, and then every day you talk, and then make video also related to English, whatever you want to, and record your everyday English related video. And what I make mistake at that times, saying what I make mistake at that times, go your Google and your YouTube. I do that kind of mistake, and even when I go another video, so at that times I correct my mistake. So that kind of you are doing every day, so you definitely achieve your fluency. And me also, I speak more and more, and then I speak wrong sentence, so I go search Google, and even I tell my friend, one of my I have one friend, he is in good head in English, so sometimes I ask, is it okay, is it right? So he was saying, yeah, it's right, you can go on. So and then while I am making mistakes, so he was saying, yeah, it's wrong, so first you correct your sentence and then you go. So in my side, earlier I didn't have any even environment, and you literally want to create an environment, so there were number of app also you can go find, and such a nice app, and then you speak more and more and make online friends also, and there were WhatsApp group also you can join, and then you speak. We make only excuses, because we didn't want to become a fluent speaker, and we didn't want to come out our comfort zone, so that's why we every day make excuse. And you really want to improve, and you really want to become a fluent speaker, and you really want to come out your comfort zone, so you can do whatever you want to, like reading, listening, practicing, and even speaking more and more. So every day you make fluent. One day you make fluent, and you didn't want to, and you regular basis, no, I didn't have any environment, and I didn't have any such a nice friend, so when I talk, so at that time people judge, people make fun of me. That kind of silly question, every day you are saying, and you are saying just because, and make excuse, and you literally want to.
परों को खोल जमाना उड़ान देखता है, परों को खोल जमाना उड़ान देखता है, जमीन पे बैठ के क्या आसमान देखता है.
Improve your spoken English, so you can go and you can find, and even earlier I didn't have any environment, but now I have environment just because I want to become a fluent speaker. So that's why. And I didn't make any excuses. Why I make excuses? Just because you are every day you make excuses, so you didn't improve your spoken English, and you didn't you didn't improve your communication skills because you make every day excuses. That kind of silly, just because we didn't want to improve our spoken English. And you really want to improve your spoken English, so you can go and watch my video, and when you literally improve your fluency, you can connect with me, and I give my email ID. Literally you want to connect with me like one-to-one conversation, so you can text me on email. My email ID lavanyadansena@gmail.com. ओके, सो आप लोग को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज आप लोग लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. बाय एंड टेक केयर. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.